Okay, we made it to South Florida, Jacksonville, just outside of Jacksonville. Look at this spot, Chowder Ted's. Pink pastel building, check. Looks like the perfect seafood dive. Look at this decor in here. You've got the old beer signs. You've got the old nautical fishing decorations. Big cans. There's nothing better than the Southern Seafood Dive. Nothing. Got some rock shrimp coming. UB40 on the radio. The perfect dive. Royal, what makes the royal shrimp so good?
So they're bigger.
Yeah.
They're huge, and they're very tender and soft, and they melt in your mouth literally like butter. Like it tastes like lobster. They don't
Really?
taste like shrimp.
Yeah, it's like a spicy little Bahamian chowder. That'd be one of the best chowders I've had in my life. Perfectly fried Cajun shrimp. Perfectly deep, flavorful red chowder. I guess that's Ted's chowder. And an amazing, amazing triggerfish sandwich. Look at that branding. Triggerfish is like a local fish around here. She was a daily special today. Super flaky, beautiful, moist. And I love how that sandwich comes with like the full fillet over the bread. You don't skim. Awesome place. Those guys are jet skiing. Wave runners. Okay, we've driven 6 or 7 hours to Holly Hill, South Carolina. About to hit up some South Carolina barbecue at Sweatman's Barbecue. Let's check it out. Lots of awards. Yankees legend Brett Gardner from Holly Hill, this town it's in. Long way to get to the Yankees. We got here, we got a little mustard sauce pork, some crackling, some local hash, yum, some ribs. We got a little Maryland mustard sauce. This hash. Oh my god. Yum. Yeah. This is proper South Carolina. Banana pudding. That's Sweatman's Barbecue. Those slow smoked ribs were unbelievable. If you drive far enough into the bushes here in South Carolina, you can find some pretty good barbecue. Here's the pit out back. This is like where they butterfly out the hogs and cook them for 18 hours. Over local hardwood. Awesome. Okay, tell us where we are and what we're eating.
Hi, Mom. How are you? We're here in South Carolina, Santee, South Carolina,
On the
where
lake.
we have the best peaches.
From
So make sure, yeah, and they are from Shula's, and they pick they sell, and make sure you come to South Carolina to get those peaches.